everybody, it's Pixel, and today for a nice fun little springtime treat, we're going to be making French onion deviled eggs. For that, we're going to need roughly 12 eggs, but I'm going to be making a half recipe, so I'm going to use 6, 2 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a third of a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 of a cup of bacon, diced up very, very small, and a small white sweet onion, diced up as well. Well, you know the drill. Let's get going on it. To start off with, I'm going to get the onions caramelizing. And after about 30 minutes on a very low heat, we have caramelized onions, and oh, do they smell good. Okay, I've taken all my hard-boiled eggs that I already pre-cooked and cut them in half, removing the yolks. We're going to smash those up ahead of time. If you can hear sizzling, I've already got our bacon crisping up in a pan. And into the eggs, I'll put our mayonnaise and Dijon mustard, Greek yogurt, and the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And that's going to get thoroughly mixed together. Alright, I've got my food processor out. We've already put our egg mixture in there. And to that I'm going to be adding the caramelized onions, butter and all. I'll be putting on the lid and mixing this together thoroughly. When it's done, it'll be a smooth mixture like this. But yeah, you just take your filling. I used a teaspoon, or you can use a piping bag for a little more decorative, and just filled each one. But now, the time is here to try it. Well, I gotta say, these have some incredible onion flavor. I can see why it's French onion. I don't totally get the bacon topping, although I love bacon. It almost occurs to me you could put those crispy onions that you use at Thanksgiving on top. That might be a little overwhelming on onion, but you never know. I'm sure you could top them with many fun things. These are perfect for any holiday or picnic, and you just want to twist up on, deviled eggs. So you know what to do. You like what you saw, don't like what you saw, tell me about it. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.